guys. It's 8 a.m. here in San Diego, which means it's almost lunchtime for Kyle on the East Coast. I only know this because I woke up to a ton of texts from him with some unpleasant remarks regarding the recent photos that we got from the factory on our first collection. Perhaps it was a little bit naive to think that we would get everything right the first time, but I guess I didn't think that there would be this many things that went wrong. So we're gonna have to hop on the phone right now and figure some shit out. On the knee patch, ideally this should be in corduroy as well, but considering the color mismatch, we left it as the original design. Like, why would they just go ahead and do that?
Why would you keep going if you knew it was gonna be that bad?
Yeah, why would you do the chest but not the knees? Like, it seems obvious to me that they just overlooked it. They made a mistake and just accidentally recreated our original sample. A lot of the times you think this process is not going to be all that difficult, but when you want to really have a detail-oriented product and launch with something that you're super proud of, there's a surprising amount of little things that can go wrong. All right, it's 1 o'clock now. Spent the last 5 or 6 hours just going over everything that was not ideal and going through Illustrator, creating a really detailed list of everything that we wanted to improve on. We created this Excel document that clearly articulated what we wanted to do in terms of text, and then we had corresponding links to all of the Illustrator artwork. So, I mean, this shit is not easy. This is like, you're trying to communicate a lot of really detailed things. We're trying to do it on a small budget. We're trying to do it on a tight timeline. We're trying to do it with no experience, and we're trying to get it all right. Okay, this is our first call with our manufacturer.
Dude, I was nice enough to mute you, and you can't mute me in the middle of me giving my little spiel over here. Jeez Louise.
So this is the first call we are getting on with him. We've been talking with him back and forth for roughly, I want to say, 3 months? No, maybe 2 months, something like that. So we've never heard his voice before, so it's going to be the first time we hear him. And we have a list over here, a list of questions that we want to go over with product, and we just got our first samples back, so we're doing basically trying to resample and change some stuff, go over some stuff, and go over the changes and be super specific so that he knows exactly what we're looking for.
Hey Ricky, it's Marcus. How are you?
Hey Ricky.
Too. We've got Kyle here on the phone here as well.
How's it going?
It felt really good to be able to hear the voice of the people that we were communicating with at the factory and get to know them a little bit. This was actually a major confidence boost for both Kyle and I. Okay, just finished the upload of the first, what are we calling this? Inside LEUCS YouTube video series thing. Tomorrow we're going to be posting the first story time episode and hopefully be directing a little bit more of the attention to the YouTube channel. We're also prepping the website to be able to have you guys go to, so that as we build these social channels, there's an opportunity for everybody to go and kind of join the community to be able to get updates for when the further YouTube videos come out, as well as when the first drop goes live. So we're looking forward to the next few weeks. We've got a lot of major checkpoints that we're looking to hit, some huge milestones that will be really make or break moments for the next phase of how LEUCS goes. So it's been a lot of fucking work the last few weeks, and a ton of progress has been made, but we've got a lot more to do before we get ready for the biggest announcement, which maybe it'll be the next video, maybe the video after that. Regardless, stay tuned, a lot more to come. Can we edit that font? Can we change what that says?
Yeah, in Shopify.
Well, where does your phone number go?
Oh wait, I found it. It's under customers. 860-77.
No way.
Click customers.
Oh! Look at that, baby. That's a dub, baby. That's a dub, baby. Let's go.
We have one customer! First customer!
And he ordered nothing, $0. So, where do we begin? I just got back from Connecticut. I was up there for 4 days visiting family, friends, and now I'm back in Florida. Well, a couple weeks ago, I got my motorcycle license endorsement. I took the class, passed the class, and basically had the card ready to go home and put it on my Connecticut license. Well, got to the DMV, had all my paperwork, had my stuff, walked up to the counter, and the lady immediately says, "We can't do that." So, got back in the truck, scratched my head, and wondered how the hell am I going to be able to have my license before I go to Cali in 2 weeks and 5 days. So let's just say things are pretty stressful, but yeah, I'm in a tricky spot and I'm trying to figure out what the hell to do. It's fucking crunch time, and I don't have a motorcycle, a flight to California, motorcycle license, and we don't have any samples.
Craziest part is we're trying to leave for the first marketing trip in not that much more than a month. So we need to get the stuff resampled. We need to get the second batch of samples approved. And then we got to get them all shipped here. We're going to be cutting this real fucking close.